Good morning to all. Let us start the MCQ question related surface area and volume of cylinder. Mensuration chapter, surface area and volume of cylinder, exercise 22.4, that is MCQ question. Okay, very short answer type question. See the question number 1 what is given here. Question number 1 it is given the volume of a right circular cylinder you have to find out of height 21 centimeter, radius 8 centimeter. Height given, radius given, you have to find out volume of right circular cylinder. Just see how to solve. In this question given the height of cylinder h is equal to 21 centimeter. Radius given, radius of base of cylinder given 8 centimeter, and you have to find out volume. Therefore, volume is equal to how much? Pi r square h. Pi means 22 by 7. Radius is 8 square, 8 into 8. Height given 21. 7 3 are 21. It is coming 22 3 are 66 and 8 8 is 64. Just you will multiply, you will get the result. This much centimeter cube. Number 1 complete. You have to calculate the calculation time will be you have to do. See the question number 2. Question number 2 given if the volume of a 1 meter long cylinder means 1 meter long cylindrical iron rod length given, it will be equivalent height. Volume given, volume of a 1 meter long cylindrical iron rod is 1386 centimeter cube. You have to find out diameter. Find its diameter. Okay, just see how to solve. For question number 2, volume of cylinder given 1386 centimeter. Height given means length of the rod given 1 meter. 1 meter means 100 centimeter. 1 meter means 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter. And you have to find out diameter of the base of the cylinder. Now, the volume formula is what? Pi r square h. The volume 1386. Pi means 22 by 7. Radius not given. And 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Height equal to 100. Now, r square equal to how much? 1386 into 7 divided by 22 and 100 also divide. You have to calculate for r. Just see how to calculate. See, r square coming. If you cancel by 2, it will be 693 into 7 by 11. Again, it will go by 11. 11 6 ja, 11 3 ja. Therefore, r square coming here 63. 63 means 9 into 7 divided by 100. 100 means 10 into 10. It will be more easier to calculate radius. Therefore, r equal to it will be how much? Root over of 9, that is 3. 2 7 will take 1 7. 21 by 10 centimeter means 2.1 centimeter. This is the radius you are getting. Therefore, diameter will be how much? Diameter will be twice of radius. That means 2 into 2.1 is becoming 4.2 centimeters. This is the answer of number 2. Let us go number 3. See the question number 3. What is given? The surface area of cube of h given 5 centimeter. Surface area means total surface area of the cube you have to find. What is given here? Side given 5 centimeter. Number 3, right? Side of the cube is equal to 5 centimeter. Therefore, total surface area means 6 into side whole square, 6 into 5 whole square, 6 into 25, 25 6 is 150 centimeter square. Number 4. Question number 4, you see the volume of a cuboid of dimension length breadth height given. Length given 6 centimeter, breadth given 3 centimeter and height given 4 centimeter. And you have to find out volume of the cuboid. Therefore, volume of the cuboid formula is length into breadth into height. That means 6 into 3 into 4. 6 3 is 18, 18 4 is 72 centimeter cube. In this way, number 4 also completed. See the question number 5 what is given. Question number 5. The volume of a cube with an edge 11 centimeter. Okay, that is height of the cube given 11 centimeter. Therefore, volume will be how much? Side whole cube 11 into 11 into 11. That will be 1 centimeter cube. If you are interested to convert meter cube, that means you have to divide 1331, divide 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters, 100. That means this will be this converted to meter cube. The final answer will be 0.001331 meter cube. Okay, number 5 completed. Number 6. 3 cube each of side 4 centimeter joined together side by side to form a cuboid. Just see. 3 cube each of side 4 centimeter joined together side by side to form a cuboid. The surface area of the cuboid will be how much? See, in case of question number 6, 3 cube each of side 4 centimeter like this, 3 cubes 4 centimeter, that means the length will be converted to, therefore length of cuboid so form it will be 4 plus 4 plus 4, it is coming 12 centimeter, but breadth will be same. Breadth of cuboid so form it will be 4 centimeter and height of cuboid so form it will be 4 centimeter. And you will find out the surface area of the cuboid. Surface area means total surface area. Total surface area of the cuboid so form it will be 2 whole into LB plus BH plus HL. 2 whole into LB. L means what? 12. 12 into 4 plus 4 into 4 plus 4 into 12. It is coming 12 4 is 48, 4 4 is 16, 12 4 is 48. Just you will add and you have to multiply, you will get the result. In this way, question 6 number question completed. Just calculation what you have to do. 48 plus 48, 96. The 96 plus 63 coming how much? 112. 112 into 2, this will be 224 centimeter cube. 224 centimeter. This is the B is the right answer. Okay. Thank you for today's class. Next day I'll do more sums.